boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear, Olivia Rodrigo, My Way, part of a new album. You Seem Pretty Sad for Girls, So in Love, a great punkish song signed by Olivia. So let's move on with this tutorial very soon. Before that, I want to mention my new YouTube channel. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 strings ago. You thank me in the way that you're gonna go there and subscribe to that channel. You don't have to care about this tutorial, even if I would like to do that as well to encourage you to like this one as well. But yeah, I need your help for the new channel, so thank you so much in advance. Now let's go on with this My Way song. We're gonna do that without any capo, okay? And with that we have 6 chords, simple chords. Let's go through the chords together. A minor first, that's open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. C, that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D. That goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have a strange version of a C chord. It's C og. And it goes like a bar on the second fret. Let's say the B and G string. You're gonna stay away from the last E string there. So 2 strings, but you can go with the bar all the way down, but just avoid playing that last E string with your strumming hand. But then you need to add 4th on A, and then this second on, third on D. Okay, so that is this C version of it. Now let's go into the F chord, which is a bar chord. Bar on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And finally, we have the D minor. Open D, second G, third B, and first E. There we have all the 6 chords, guys. Now let's focus on the strumming. If you grab the first chord, A minor, you're gonna play a strumming of 4 downs, so like this. I like to emphasize the third down to get the downstroke on really on the high strings down here. Okay, so bass, bass, top, bass. So 1 round is 4 downs. Now let's focus on the first verse. You're gonna play A minor, 2 string rounds, C, 2, D, 2, and then this strange C og, 2. So. A little bit different and hard sometimes to get the strings right there, but that is how it goes. So that is 1 round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. Then into the pre-chorus, you're gonna stay on that C and play that for 8 rounds, and that's it. Okay, so it starts about 30 seconds into the song. C, 8 string rounds, and that takes us to the first chorus at 37 seconds in. So you are in My Way. That's what she sings there. And you're gonna play now F, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, D minor, 2 string rounds, and A minor, 2 string rounds. You're gonna roll that chord progression for 4 times. So F, C, D minor, and A minor. 4 rounds of that, and that is the first round finished. Almost, actually, because we have an instrumental part right after, and you're gonna play the verse play for 2 times. So A minor, C, D, and C og, 2 rounds of that. Now, second round of everything is just repetition, guys. 2 rounds again of that continuous verse play. And then we have the chorus again, repetition, 4 rounds of F, C, D minor, A minor. And then we have again that instrumental / bridge play. This time you're gonna play the verse play for 2 rounds. After that, you're gonna jump back into the third and final chorus, again, played in the same way as the previous ones, and then you're gonna finish off with the outro verse play for 2 rounds. So you see, it's only pretty much the verse play and the chorus play in this song, and that's how we end it. My Way by Olivia Rodrigo. Thank you for watching, guys. Till next time, play tuned.